All right, the Gulfstream G4 retails between $4 and $8 million, and we've got some money to spend before the end of the year for tax purposes. Let's see what an $8 million Gulfstream G4 looks like financing wise. Remember, businessjetfinancing.com, very easy to remember. Calculate your payments, monthly payment calculator. Enter the price tag, $8 million. We're going to go ahead and put 20% down. Get all the terms information from your lender and determine your monthly payment. In this case, $55K. That'll do. See ya.